आता मी दुसऱ्या पंड्याला सांगतो सांस्कृतिक ग्रुप आता काय होईल सांगता नाव आय एम कन्फर्म बिकॉज आम डालो आहे यार जबरदस्त म्हणजे गर्ल काशीनाथ शेट्टी थ्रू आउट म्हणजे हाऊ कॅन यू गिव्ह राईट्स जमीनची ओनरशिप तुझ्याकडे नव्हता हाऊ कॅन द घर बी युअर्स ते मिटायला सेक्रेटरी दिसलो तो ओव्हरऑल काय ना तो दिसलो परमिशन बिकॉज एज पर द लॉ ही इज नाउ अबव यू इट इज लाईक चीफ ऑफिसर इन म्युन्सिपॅलिटी ऍक्च्युअली इन द म्युन्सिपॅलिटी काउन्सिलाक काय रोल ना सो तुवें सेक्शन फायली वता सीओ कडेन आणि एमएलए सीरूप घेऊन देता कामां करून देता हे दिगंबरान हाडिल्ले सीओ करता
सरपंच कित्याक मेळयले
एक जाला की गोंयच्या लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान डिमांड केल्लो आहा की 60 दीस CZMPचेर रिएक्ट जावपाक लोकांक दिवचे न्ही. In support of that contention, these sarpanches have come. They actually support this contention that it is a right stand taken by the leader of opposition. Now, in addition to the fact of that CZMP is sought to be rushed by the government, there are other issues. Major issue is MPA, Marmugao Port Authority. ताची जी mandate आहा, domain आहा, ती अप टू बेतूल मेरेन जाला आणि बेतूल सॅटेलाइट पोर्ट म्हणतो जो 2011 CZMPन काडिल्लो तो परतो दाखयला 2019 CZMP. हो पोर्ट जावचो ना हाजे क्लियर एश्युरन्स तेन्नाचो मंत्री आनी आतांय मंत्री आहा तो बाब नितीन गडकरीन लोकांक दिल्ले. मुख्यमंत्र्यानूय हे रिपीट केलें की सॅटेलाइट पोर्ट हो जावचो ना, पूण तो परतो कसो दाखयलो तितलेंच न्ही, हाजे MPAच्यो जी कितें म्हणटात ताका जी मॅन्डेट आहा ती अप टू द मेन रोड ऑफ कार्मोना दाखयल्ली आहा. म्हळ्यार कितें कार्मोनाची घरां जर रिपेराक वतलीं फाल्यां जाल्यार MPA परमिशन घेतलें, सरपंच न्ही. सो दीस एपियर्स टू बी अ backdoor entry of central agencies to undermine local self-government in Goa in areas where the BJP has failed to win in the Zilla Parishad elections. BJP or BJP's agents have lost Zilla Parishad election in Salchet. There is a clear vote against the BJP in Salchet. हे जाला आनी हाजे खातीर रिएक्शन अशें जावंक शकता हे लोकांक भंय दिसता. आय एम नॉट सेइंग दॅट दिस इज द थिंग, बट देर आर फियर्स, देर इज एप्रिहेन्शन that this could be the reason. ना जाल्यार MPA कार्मोनाच्या रस्त्यार कसो पावलो दुर्योत ना न्ही. हो एक इश्यू जाता. दुसरो इश्यू असो आहा की ह्या CZMPन जे 60 दीस लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान मागल्या तातूंत जेटीज दाखयल्ल्यो आहा. ह्यो जेटीज उगीच दाखयल्या काय तांच्यो NOC घेवन दाखयल्या हे पब्लिकाक हे करपा. वाय डू यू वॉन्ट टू रश थ्रू अशें कितें ताकतीक कित्याक आहा हो एक इश्यू जालो. दुसरो इश्यू म्हणटा असो आहा की बर्च ट्रेजेडीचो एक्सक्यूज घेवन आज बारीक बिझनेस जे साश्टीन चलतात चड करून कोस्टलायनार हे सील करपाक सरकार लागला अंडर वेरियस प्रोविजन्स ऑफ द लॉ. वन कूड बी फायर NOC, अदर कूड बी FDA, थर्ड कूड बी युअर वेट्स अँड मेजर्स, आणि कूड बी सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देर. दीज बेसिक कॉम्प्लायन्स इज नॉट बीन देर हे दाखोवन ते सील करतात. आता बर्च जो आहा, बर्चान जो इन्वॉल्ड आहा ताका एक जन विश्वास बिल म्हणून पास करून ताका डिक्रिमिनलाइज केलें तागे सगळीं सेक्शनां. गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट एबल टू आन्सर अवर क्वेश्चन वाय यू आर इन्सिस्टिंग ऑन प्रीडेटिंग द ऑर्डिनन्स टू 2nd of December. when you have notified it on 9th and when purge has happened on 6th. Government has not satisfactorily answered this. But using purge to seal businesses of Goan locals in Salcete. Small businesses in Salcete along the coastline are owned by Goans, not by non-Goans. Entire North Goa is run by non-Goans. Most of it. Here it is by Goans. So this has to be protected, and the panchayat knows who is a Goan, who is not a Goan. It is not the agency which is a fire agency which comes. So थंय एक 15 दिसाचो एक period दिवपाक जाय by which there should be exemption from all this. 15 दिसांनी काडून पण 15 दिसाची नोटीस दी म्हणटा तांकां. तूं सडनली एक बर्ज जालें म्हणून कितें आतां फाल्यां भजी विकता वो कोण 40 पाव विकता ताजे खातीर उजो लागतलो लोक मरतले ताका सील कित्याक करप तें? Tell me a simple thing. What you are sealing? You are sealing small businesses. You are not sealing a club which is running on a salt pan. It is a fact that the government has answered a question which was put by me, which says that birch was located on a salt pan in a khazan shown on the CZMP, not as khazan. So who did that? There is no investigation into that. That was done by somebody. No? So who did it? In the CZMP 2011, 8 lakh square meters along the Baga river, which is original khazan, has not been shown as khazan. And that has been converted for commercial purposes. Take kora seal to me. He goykaran seal karpak khoya gaya. So I have tried to call the chief minister. He has not replied to me. I do hope he calls me back. We will be making a detailed memorandum to him on this. Certain things, if he does not respond, we will have to escalate this to a people's agitation to save Salcete. Because MPA seems to be coming in to capture Salcete. So to save Salcete, we may have to come on the streets. This is one thing. Second, we may even have to knock the doors of the court. We will seek legal advice and do the necessary.
So, आमगेले जेन्ना हे MPA दाखयला कोर्टाचेर on court limits in all the CZMP plan, it was very shocking. So that's why आमगेलो Salcete सरपंच, especially coastal belt, आमचो बेतालबाती, बेनावली, कोलवा, वार्का, कार्मोना, कावेलोसीम, हे सगळे आमी एकठांय जाल्या आनी आमगेले लोकल MLAकूय आमी सांगलो आहा to take it seriously, but we approach Vijay also and we will approach other also, but to take up this matter in a very aggressive, because see आमी पळयलां वास्को MPA एक पाट जाले की ना how the people are suffering. There is no looking back. The same thing happened many years ago when we did save of the river nationalize जाले आमी जायत झगडले पण कांय जावना. But issue is what same thing like how people are fighting for double tracking. Once it is central government and then it is very difficult to fight. Again, national security ata. So as Panchayat, we are moving very fast. We are not wasted our time. What we are requesting the government is consider this as a very serious thing, because आमचे coastal belt ata fishermen आहा, तुझे shack चलता, and all our water sports, all are related to livelihood. आणि आमचे Salcete सगळ्यात चडशे म्हणल्यार गोंयकार चलयतात. So we have requested on that. Hopefully the chief minister will take up the matter, and or 2011 काढलेलो court limits तो आनकोडे कोण घातला, that we want to know, and why it is come through video. ते म्हणटा आता mistake झाली. It cannot be a mistake like that. It is a big concern for everybody. The other issue about the music beyond 10 o'clock, Pollution Control Board chairman have made a categorical statement. It's very shocking. To me, for me, I am not in favor of any kind of late early morning music. I don't want that dance bar culture. But जे आमची काजारा आता 10 बोन म्हळ्यार police are already harassing इतलो लोक कोता. But I think that also issue we have raised it. Hopefully these are very important. नाजाल्यार कितें जातलें आमचे आनी culture आनी कांय उरोना. It is a community. It is not for individual for who is doing that. It is a celebration. So we want that to exempt the weddings and shigmon and zatras, all those things which are community. The other thing is about also आम्ही सांगला त्या प्रमाणे ते आता maybe it is last 1 month there are different agencies from FDAs, Pollution Control Board, South Gele, Fire Department and GST. Constantly they are coming every department and going from restaurant to establishment. We are not saying no to me here, but आय डोंट नो वॉट वी हॅव डन रॉंग आमचे सावथाचे लोक आहात ते म्हणजे द थिंग्स आर हॅपनिंग समवेअर एल्स विच आर वायलेटेड यू सी वी आर फायटिंग टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर साउथ गोवा द बेस्ट वे वॉट वी कॅन पूण आमकां दिसता आमकां तर खंय तरी एक इनजस्टीस जाता आमचेर सो ताका लागून आमी रिक्वेस्ट केला बट यू डोंट सील दॅट यू गिव द टायम यू चॅक द परमिशन यू चॅक ऑल द लायसन्सीस बट डोंट जस्ट कम एंड सील द प्रिमायसीस आमकां जाय ते स्टेक होल्डर आमचे कावेलो सिंग कोलवा जावं म्हाका बाणाले जायच्यान फोन केला ताका आमी सरपंची मेळ्ळे आनी वी वॉन्ट टू ऑल्सो मेक शुअर दॅट यू नो सिलींग म्हणल्यार कितें हाव यू नो दॅट एक तुका परमिशन ना जाल्यार इट कॅनॉट बी आय एम नॉट सेईंग नॉट टू टेक एक्शन बट गिव देम टायम टू रेक्टिफाय सो दिस इज वॉट वी फील अँड होपफुली आमी आनी डिस्कस केला वी वॉन्ट थँक द आवर डायनामिक MLA to take up this matter and also the other one also आणि दुसऱ्या पंचायता कडेन मागता आमी लेटर्स आमचे जायते पावर काढले तुम्ही जाणे आता आमकां व्हडलेशे पावर दवरले सेक्रेटरीज बिकम द मोस्ट पावरफुल बट that is something it is not in our hand but we will make sure that whatever we can do as a representative आमकां लोकांक निवडून हाडले ना जाल्यार आमकां आनी वालोर ना so we also want to take up those issues and all so once again we hopefully we will at least port limit आहा ते आमकां जाता तितले बेगीन स्क्रॅप करपाचे मागता आनी that this will happen soon.
आणि सरकार वागता एज इफ सरकार गोंय विकपाचो आहा मार्चा पयलीं 2 मिटींग जाल्यो त्यो 4 मिटींगो कित्याक जाय त्यो कोणें मागल्यो अरे मिटींगे जर तांकां चड करपा जाय तांणी मागूंक जाय त्यो तुमी फोर्स कित्याक करता तांकां हूज अर्जंट हूज द स्टेक होल्डर इज ऑफ डुईंग हूज बिजनेस This is the minister's business. Minister's business is getting files.
One of the important things is earlier, see, I am a full-time panchayat member. It's a 4th term now. आम्ही जेन्ना स्टार्ट केल्ले तेन्ना म्हयन्याक एक मिटींग जाताली मागीर एक हाडलें 15 दिसांनी करपाचें आतां 4 आनी मिटींग करता तें बरें आहा इवन लायसन्सीस 15 दिसां भितर तूं दिवपा जाय डीम पिरियड जाला अरे वॉट इज दिस वॉट इज द हरी when you buy a plot, it takes so much of time to plan. When it comes to the panchayat only, you ask things, why? To buy a property, to make a land deal, for them it takes 4 to 5 months. To do all the paperwork, go to TCP, it takes 2 to 3 months. And when it comes to panchayat, it's 15 days. That means this is a lot of pressure. And I do not know why it is.
फाल्यां उजो पेटलो जाल्यार पंचायत भितर जेलार हें बरें मरे हें सारकें मरे तुमचें अरे तुमी तांकां डिमींग प्रोविजन घालून फोर्स करता आनी कितेंय वायट जालें जाल्यार तांकां भितर उडोवपाचें ताका डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करपाचें हें कॉमीक बरें It is not headed the north way. It is being sought to be discriminated for saving Goa. South is the most vocal votaries of saving Goa, saving traditional businesses, saving traditional occupations. All this is happening in South Goa. In South Goa, there is a lot of sensitivity when it comes to even development. They are saying build hotels, don't build second homes. The correct stand to take. Tourism has to be promoted on the coastal area, but not to make second homes. Because one fine day Goa will become a old age home. In 20 years from now, the people who are going to buy it are all going to become old, and you won't have the younger generation working at all. So this type of sensitivity is shown in South Goa, and for which South Goa should have been honored, should have been rewarded. On the contrary, you are punishing us for saving Goa. This is my charge against the government. In North Goa, they don't have this sensitivity. They have built second homes, less 5-star. Here we are, even the local people are encouraging 5-star because it's creating employment. It's creating some sort of an ecosystem for them. ते करता म्हणून तर तूं तांकां टॅक्स करता और तूं तांचेर सिलींग करपाक लागता. That means either that or the fact that you have lost the Zilla elections. Government should say what it is. I'm going to speak to the Chief Minister and ask clarification clearly on this. Or his ministers from South Goa should speak. If they are going to speak for him. I hope Chief Minister responds. The reaction of the local self-government bodies of the Salsette coastline is correct because they have seen what is happening in the assembly. They have seen a BJP ruling party MLA, Raji Sarkar, complaining about the carelessness of the MPA, where MPA is behaving as if it is a power by itself, that it is above the government of Goa, that it is putting a lock on the road. This is what they have heard him speaking in the assembly, and the speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly not giving him a favorable answer. So when MPA behaves as if it is the modern day Salazar, then what is supposed to be done? Then the people have to rise against this, because we are becoming a colony of Delhi. अशें सांगला ते. आता हे सावंडाचे पळय तूं, सावंडाचे आमी ऑलरेडी उलोवन 8 ऑगस्टाक इश्यू काडिल्लो. तो 8 ऑगस्टाक इश्यू मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगला की आमी फेवरेबली कन्सिडर करता. तितलेंच न्ही, वी विल सीक अमेंडमेंट्स टू द सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेशन. We also know that it is 15 days. We know that there is a rule. What is the rule? That noise pollution rules under the Environment Protection Act defines night as 10 p.m. and noise as 60 decibels. We know that. But how does Bangalore solve this? Bangalore solves this by shops and establishment. They say run the restaurant up to 1 o'clock. You can't run beyond 1. But at 1, till 1 you use the music. After 1 you can't sell even a drink. Everything shuts down. This was the alternate formula which I had given in the Legislative Assembly, which was discussed with me by the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka. He told me this is a law that we apply in Bangalore. So ते तर तशें करूंक शकता. बट तुमचे डबल इंजिन आहा मरे, आनी तुझे मुखेलमंत्र्यान आमकां सांगिल्लें आहा कितें की आपूण वचून उलोवन चेंज करतलो म्हणून. आतां तूं जर उलोवन चेंज करता, हांगा आतां काजराच्या सिजनान सडनली ही यादशी जाली तुका. See, I presume that the press conference yesterday by the Pollution Control Board chairman was to speak on the AQI, which is air pollution. From air pollution, they brought it to sound pollution and weddings. आता आमचो कार्निवाल येवपा आहा. So you will target the carnival. So what are you trying to do? Are you trying to shut Goa down? What is the entire issue? And secondly, our demand is for an amnesty. I was not getting the word amnesty. We are asking for an amnesty for local small businesses up to 2 months. Till the budget is passed of the Goa Legislative Assembly, there should be no ceiling of small businesses. आता तू क्लब की इलिगल तू हाजेर सॉल्ट पॅन क्लब करतलो ते बंद उडयतो, बिकॉज पेटंटली इट इज इलिगल. पूण बारीक धंदोकार जो कोण करता ताका एमनेस्टी दिवंकूच जाय. आनी जर दिना जाल्यार बीजेपी इज अगेन्स्ट दी स्मॉल बिझनेसीस. हे क्लियर जाता. And we'll make this into an issue.
आता आम्ही आमच्या आमदारा फुड्यान येयल्ली, बिकॉज ही इज द ओन्ली आमकां दिसलें, आमची जर आमी उलयले म्हणटकीर आमकां दिसलें की कितें वॉयस करतलो, कितें बोवाड करतलो जाल्यार ऑर गेट अस जस्टीस जाल्यार बाब विजय म्हणून. सो आमी डिसिजन घेतलें आनी आमी सगळीं हांगा येयली. ना एमपीएचेर ते उलयले, म्युझिकाचेर उलयले, सिलिंगाचेर उलयले. म्हाका एकूच सांगपा म्हणल्यार पंचायत राज एक्ट म्हणजे 73rd एमेंडमेंट आहा पळय, तितून हे जालां ते कांय बसना, बिकॉज ऑल द पावर्स आर गिवन टू सेक्रेटरी. सो जेन्ना गोव्हर्मेंटाक कितें करपा जाय आसतलें तेन्ना दे वील डायरेक्ट सेक्रेटरी. सो वाय इज द पंचायत सिटिंग हियर? पंचायत कित्याक बसल्या? सो आमकां आनी सेच ना. तेंगेलो their government employee is the secretary, so they will get to execute all the work through the secretary. They must have brought this. So definitely, along with the whole panchayat, with all the panchayats and all the sarpanches, I think we need to attack. We need to go to court on this, and we have to do something about it. ना जाल्यार आमचे फुडले पिळगेक जर सेव उरपाना. आमी जर आज ओगी बसले हें पळोवन की बील सँक्शन जालें आनी जालें बाबा काबार, तेजेर आमी ओगी बसपाचें ना. कित्याक आमचे फुडले पिळगेकूय हें सगळें सारकें करून दवरपा जाय. सो तेका लागून आमी आहा हिंगा. आनी थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. अँड सर, थँक्स सो मच.